time consuming and requires decision making. Users often struggle to find the recipe based on the available ingredients. Managing weekly meals manually leads to repetition and confusion. Here the problem statement user can face the difficult to finding the recipe based on the available ingredients and for more time to spend up the recipe generator. So here the clear for the recipe generator to use the food recipe generator for the time to more time to waste of the recipe. So here the to customer smart recipe generator to customize and accurate the recipe suggestions. Pseudo-code slash input user input, input dietary preferences, input cuisine dietary. So the system will start by taking these three main input from the user. Those are the user ingredients, the ingredients which user want, and the dietary preferences, and the dietary preferences which user wants, and the cuisine type. Cuisine type will be optional. Clean ingredients list, normalize ingredients name. So the system will clean and organize the ingredient because the system want to easily compare the ingredients. Fetch recipe database. Now the system will load the recipe from the database. Match recipe where recipe ingredients which is belongs to user ingredients and the recipe dietary type, dietary preferences if given. The system will try to find the exact match which is given by the user dietary preference and cuisines. If matching recipes not found, not empty, then sort recipe by popularity or rating. Display top 5 recipes. Else suggest recipe where recipe ingredients partially match user ingredients, show missing ingredients. Now the system will try to find the exact match of the recipe. If it couldn't match, it will partially match the recipe. It will partially show top 5 related recipes so that user can select among them. And for select recipe, display step-by-step instruction. Display nutrition information. The system will show top 5 partial recipes. So the user has to select one among them. Then it will show the step-by-step instructions. Display nutrition. It will also tell us the nutrition information like the amount of calorie or the amount of protein the user want. And then the system proceeds. Next will be continued by visual action. User can start cooking here. First, user can enter the ingredients like chicken, tomato, rice, anything. After that, it shows the recipe, like Indian style, Chinese, anything. User can select that. Next, in that feedback option also, user can like the recipe. User can provide the feedback based on the generated recipe. And user can like the recipe. User can provide the recipe. Shopping list and AI possible. User can anything doubt will happen. Can chat with AI. Next, weekly planner and review and login the setting option.
Okay, here, so you are giving ingredients. It is providing recipe, right? Okay, how many recipes it will? Yeah, some of the ingredients if I provide, we can make 2 or more recipes from that ingredients, right? So how many recipes it will recommend?
Based on 5 to 10 Here, based on the user inputs and available ingredients and their diet preference, it will suggest the cooking steps in step by step. This is the weekly meal planner option. Here, user can set their weekly meal planner on Monday what to cook on Saturday, Sunday for their morning, breakfast, and dinner. If they find any item missing, they can add that item to shopping list. So with this, user can cook a variety of food.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
The smart recipe generator involves artificial intelligence and the natural language processing of the data-driven decision making. Here this involves the users to make the better recipes generated, in ultimately saving the time and reducing the food. Our project involves the everyday cooking and making the kitchen presence. It is a strong and usability in real life scenarios, and overall project is essentially and scalable, which involves the smart and modern real time, which based on the better with choices.